Hi friends. Today's recipe is absolutely amazing, unique, and delicious. Today we are going to make a cake dessert that kids and adults both love. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you keep getting such wonderful videos. Let's start the recipe. First, take 50 grams of butter and 60 grams of granulated sugar. Melt them well and mix properly. After mixing, add 2 eggs and mix again. Then add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix well. Bake it in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After that, we will prepare the frosting. For the frosting, we need 300 milliliters of double cream and 5 tablespoons of icing sugar. Beat it in a bowl until it becomes fluffy, then add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now add the frosting to a piping bag and decorate the mini cakes. Finally, decorate with strawberries, biscuits, and chocolate dust. Our beautiful dessert is ready. Kids love it, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.